Horas!
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
With me, Ivan Guswandi, Sitinjak, and my partner.
Tom.
The effect of Gadget Day on improving the quality of learning activity at SMA Negeri 2 Lintong Nihuta.
First, we talk about introduction. In today's increasingly complex digital era, the use of technology such as gadgets has penetrated almost every aspect of life, including education. Also, the penetration of gadget user among teenagers has reached 99.16%. The presence of these facilities must be optimized to support the improvement of learning quality, and one of them is the implementation of the Gadget Day program.
Purpose of this study. So the purpose of this research is to study the effect of Gadget Day in improving the quality of learning activity at SMA Negeri 2 Lintong Nihuta.
First, research design. Qualitative research design in the form of a case study with the direct fault analysis of the use of gadget in students' learning activity at SMA Negeri 2 Lintong Nihuta.
The second one is participant selection. Some of the participants involved were selected to obtain the first perspective relevant to the use of gadgets in students' learning activities at SMA Negeri 2 Lintong Nihuta.
The third is data collection, interview, observation, document analysis, data validation, interpretation, and conclusion.
And now we are going to talk about the result. The systematic of Gadget Day. First, the educators bring students' gadgets to the classroom in a container box. And the second one is the educator distributes the gadgets with prior data collection to avoid loss or other distractions. And the third one is educators will give the directions and fully regulate the use of gadgets during the learning. And the last one is after the lesson is over, the educator will collect all gadgets back according to the data.
Benefit of gadget use. 1. Student and teacher relate that the use of gadget has increased access to online learning resources such as videos, ebook, and education website, allowing them to access more varied and interactive learning materials. 2. Teachers started that using educational apps on gadgets such as math or language apps has helped students understand the materials better. 3. Collaboration between students through apps and online platform has helped improve students' social interaction and cooperation skills.
Challenge of gadget use. Many students admit that they are sometimes tempted to use gadgets for things other than learning, such as playing games or using social media, which distract them during the learning activity.
The next is analysis. The qualitative study illustrates the complexity of the used device for learning. The main findings show that device can be valuable support for learning, increase student engagement, and provide access to more educational resources. However, challenges for such as distraction, lack of supervision, and potential dependence of device must be managed. This research suggests that schools need to develop clear guidelines on the use of device in the learning process, as well as involve teachers in education in monitoring and managing device use properly.
And now we are getting on the conclusion. Gadgets can be an effective tool to support the Merdeka Belajar Curriculum if used wisely and with understanding. Educational institutions, teachers, and parents need to work together to ensure that the use of educational facilities bring positive benefits to students and minimize the risk associated with technology use.
The next is future work. Through this research, we can better understand how to manage technology to improve the student learning effectively and be able to realize an Indonesian goal with a generation that can master and control technology.
Roses are gray.
Violet are blue.
That's all we can say. Thank you.
Yeah.